Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Technical Analysis Made Simple. I was not able to upload videos for last few weeks. The reason was I was occupied in some work. So let's start the video. In this video we will discuss about markets. We will discuss which are the sectors where you should keep your eye and which can outperform. And we will also discuss about cryptocurrencies. We will see whether this is the right time to enter cryptocurrencies, and we will discuss the mainstream cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and stuff. If you like this video and it has a positive reception, then I will come forward with various alternate coin where you can invest and it can have a good profitability. So let's start the video. So let's start with our favorite Nifty. What is it doing? So if you notice one thing, let me switch this to line chart. If you notice one thing, we were having lower highs and lower tops, right? If I draw a line here, you will be able to see that clearly. Okay, lower highs, lower tops, lower highs, lower tops. Now for the first time we got a higher high here. Now we need a higher low, right? So if this low is maintained and we get a low somewhere here, then market can shoot up to all-time highs here. That's why don't panic right now. Whatever sell-off is coming, this can be a general reversal. If you see, the reversal has come from 14,894 and during the day we had also hit 15,000, which is 15,044, right? So this can be a psychological level from where a reversal has come. This doesn't mean that we can fall from here. Okay, now the levels you need to watch out for Monday, that will be the low here, which is 14,400, and the round figure which will be 14,500. Market should reverse from this range according to my analysis, and here we can also get a higher low. If we get a higher low, then market is very much poised to hit all-time highs from here. Now let's see Bank Nifty, what it is saying. Bank Nifty is holding above the previous high, as you can see, and here also we have got a higher high here for the first time since February. So if you see here, we have got a higher high here. This high has broken this high, and now we need a lower, and we need a higher low. So here this point will act as a pivot, and here we also see a gap which is formed. You can see this gap right here. So probably it can also come a little deeper to fill this gap, and then it can shoot up. So here also the targets will be towards 34,628 followed by 36,500. The targets could be here easily. So we need to watch out. Do not short the market at these levels. It can be harmful. Intraday you can do, but not positionally. Now let's look at some of the sectors. Let's start with Nifty Pharma. This is the chart of Nifty Pharma. Now let me show you one very important thing here. If you see the monthly chart of Nifty Pharma, it has just broken out. And what happens after a breakout? There is a rally. So Nifty Pharma is poised for a huge rally from here. So if you see, there was a downtrend, here we broke the downtrend. Now it has reached this top, which is a little far, but if we see the closing basis, then we have already broken that, right? So what can be the expected target for Nifty Pharma from here? If we consider this point and this point, this is around 6,000 points. So Nifty Pharma can easily hit 19,000 points or 6,000 points upside from here, which is also roughly 40%. So if Nifty Pharma rises 40%, you can expect the stocks to rise by around 40, 50, or even get doubled. So keep an eye on this sector. This is one of the strongest sector right now. And if this momentum continues, if it sustains above this area, then there can be a very huge rally coming up. So the main constituents of this index are Sun Pharma, Dr. Reddy, Lupin, Cipla, Divis Lab. So keep an eye on them. And apart from that, the non-constituents are also there, like Cadila is there, Glenmark is there. So keep an eye on these few names in the coming days. Another sector is Nifty Auto. If you see Nifty Auto, right, it has pulled back, it is taking support here, and if it can take support here, try to consolidate in this region, then there can be a huge rally coming up in auto sector as well. And at least the all-time high is very clear. The all-time high is about to reach here, and above that we can see a huge rally, because this will again form a V bottom here. So keep an eye on auto sector also. Main constituent for this is Maruti. Apart from that, there is Bajaj Auto, TVS, Tata Motors, Mahindra. So keep an eye on them as well. In the coming days, I will also put the analysis of those charts on my channel and on the Facebook group. If you are not yet part of that, please join it. Okay, now let's talk about cryptocurrencies. So cryptocurrency is still at a very nascent stage in India, and many of people do not know about it. On the flip side, many people do know it from a very long time. I have Bitcoin chart open in front of me, and why I am excited right now? Let's check the weekly chart of Bitcoin. If you see, Bitcoin rallied early this year from 30,000 to almost 66,000. So that was double. Then there was a sell-off in April, and now it is trying to cover that. So once Bitcoin breaks above 60,000, the round level of 60,000, which it has touched but not closed above it. If it closes above 60,000 on a weekly basis, then there could be a huge rally that is coming up. So if we take this as a range, then there is a 18,000 points range is there. So we can easily see Bitcoin's next target at 78,000. Now mind you, if Bitcoin hits those levels, the other coins will be on the moon. So this phrase is very common now, to the moon. So other coins will be to the moon. Let me show you few of them. The next important coin after Bitcoin is Ethereum by market cap. Let me show you Ethereum. So if you see Ethereum is already hitting all-time highs. And in the last month, it did not fall as well. Bitcoin corrected, but this did not, right? So if you see here, there already has been a breakout. This candle, huge candle, and it is clearly moving in a positive manner, right? Ethereum, till where it can go? My bet will be on $5,000, but people also say that it can easily hit $10,000 in coming months, which is 5 times of this, 4 to 5 times of this. So keep this in mind. Ethereum is also a very stable coin. Now let's talk about few coins which are not that stable, but they can give you huge returns, like Dogecoin. Let's analyze Dogecoin actually. So if you see Dogecoin, it has also started breaking out again. You see this? There is a breakout. Now, if I show you the line chart, it will be even clearer. You see, once Dogecoin breaks above these levels, then it will have a rally of at least 14 cents. So 14 cents above 35 cent is almost 30%, right? So 30% rally is due in Dogecoin. That is at least. And if it rises what it did here, then you can see what can happen. It became 3 times here, right? There is another one, common one, which is XRP or Ripple. So if you see, even Ripple has done pretty well. Ripple also rose from 57 cents to 1.8. So this also became 3 times during the last rally. There was a good correction and now we are trying to break out. So if I show you the candle chart of this, you can see that the sell-off was clearly absorbed here. You can see the volumes here. Then there was a base formation. Again there is a breakout and here it is trying to form a base again. And then the last high, that is this part, $1.8. This will get tested for sure. After that, we need to see. And if it breaks above that, the next target becomes around $3. 2.6 to $3 is where you will see Ripple going there. So if you consider $2.6 above 1.6, and I don't think anyone want to miss a quick 50 to 60% in here. So how to invest in cryptocurrencies in India? So let's talk about WazirX. Now this is the largest exchange that we have in India right now. This is also backed by Binance. Binance is the largest crypto exchange in the world. So I'll just show you how it looks like and I'll show you how to create an account in it. By the way, you can use my referral ID, which I will put in the description, to create your account here. Here you can see that you get the prices of all the coins here in INR. So for example, Bitcoin Cash is there. We were talking about Doji. Doji is there, 28 rupees it is. And then you can also see various like Bitcoin. See, Bitcoin is 45 lakhs. But you need not spend 45 lakhs, right? You can spend here as low as 100 rupees. So you can buy a fraction of Bitcoin, you can buy a fraction of Doji or a multiple of Doji. So that is up to you. And then here you all have a charting platform which has various time intervals, and then you can analyze here, you can take your call. My pick here is completely technical and it is very clear from the volume flows that something big is coming, and we also know that crypto is going to be the future. Crypto is being used everywhere. If you are reading the news recently, there were news of various companies adopting cryptos in their as their payment system. So Bitcoin is way ahead in that, but these coins are also important because they have various roles, and I would request you to go and read about that a little. So it gives you better confidence to hold them. So this is how it looks, the interface. As you click something, you will get a buying window here. So let's say you want to buy whatever coin is this. This is Litecoin, right? Litecoin is another very important coin. So Litecoin right now is at 21,000. So let's say you want to buy for 1,000 rupees. You can just enter 1,000 rupees here. Your calculation will come here and then it will be executed, right? So this is how it works, and it is very seamless. You will have to do KYC to trade in this. KYC is very simple. You have to put your PAN card, your Aadhaar number and your selfie with the Aadhaar card, and it gets approved instantly. So this is how it works. Give it a try, read up on this and see if you like it. You should be careful on one thing, although there are no rules right now for cryptocurrency trading. It is legalized, but there are no legal rules towards cryptocurrency. So you manage your risk with respect to the amount you are trying to devote here. So let's say your portfolio is, let's say 10 lakhs. So you should be putting not more than 10% of your portfolio, that is 1 lakh, in this. or 50,000, whatever is your capacity. That is your call, that you have to decide. But you should not be putting more than 10% of your portfolio into this for now, till we get any clear indications and clear laws here. It is not illegal. This is what is very clear. This is being cleared, but there are no legal laws as of now. Okay, friends, open your account here. My referral code is in the description. Use that to open it and let me know your experience. Over the time, I will also keep updating about various coins, and market analysis will also continue. So thank you so much. That's all for this video. Have a nice day. Stay safe.